Welcome to the future of agriculture and forestry. In today's journey, we'll explore powerful automated machines from Japan and around the world, each one designed to make farming, logging, and construction faster, smarter, and more efficient. From precision harvesters to mega excavators, these machines prove that modern agriculture is driven by innovation. The Steel MS462 chainsaw is perfect for cutting hardwoods like oak and beech. It combines raw power with high precision for tough jobs. Next is the SAM0216 chainsaw, built for durability with strong horsepower. Making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks that demand control and power. Handling uprooted trees becomes easier with the little harvester chainsaw. Its 3.2 HP engine and 3.15 cubic inch cylinder make it perfect for managing thick, stubborn roots. Meet the ultimate tree stump destroyers, the FAESC/SLVT stump cutter paired with the Selco SK210 excavator. This combo powers through giant stumps with ease. The John Deere 1710D moves timber efficiently with its 215 HP engine and 58 square foot load area, perfect for Sweden's mountain terrain. Volvo's logging truck brings 200 HP and handles over 13 tons of timber. Maximizing productivity while keeping costs low. In China, the Kegelfalter AM Axler uses 150 HP to process wood quickly. Its 6,600 pounds weight keeps it stable in all working conditions. The Kegelfalter M Grosser BCH, weighing 8,800 pounds and powered by 200 HP, handles massive logs effortlessly. The Rotten H8D, H11, and H2D harvesters offer between 160 to 220 HP and perform with precision across different forestry environments. The Liebherr 945 G8V is designed for road construction. With 210 HP and weighing nearly 50 short tons, it handles big digging and grading tasks with ease. Next, the Volvo excavator with a hydraulic hammer. It packs 250 HP and 33 tons of weight, ideal for demolition and tough excavation work. For eco-friendly projects, the Liebherr 934 EW Electro Excavator runs on 200 HP. It operates quietly and efficiently while reducing emissions. The Ploger MKC4TR, known as the Golden Monster, features a 250 HP engine and dominates the coriander harvest with unmatched power. The Modi KX4 Hydro Harvester, with 180 HP and smart tech, boosts productivity and accuracy in the fields. Want to know the secret behind high-quality pumpkin seeds? A 200 HP harvester gets the job done faster while keeping the seeds fresh and top grade. The Ploger MKC4TR returns with a 220 HP engine and optimized design. Perfect for coriander farms. It increases output and ensures product quality. Now meet the king of excavation, the Hitachi X8000. This giant weighs 837 tons and stands 17 meters tall, operating in massive construction and mining sites.